years after COVID has started propagating, spreading the knowledge of finance, personal finance management among the members. So today, Pediatric Academy of Telangana's Team F3 program is a country's first program in the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, and we are leading with about 1,800 pediatricians in the group, wherein we are doing a lot of webinars. So there was a request to probably give a small talk here in the state conference also physically. So what I'm trying to tell you is this topic we picked up because some of our members who did not have a financial security when they needed it most, how best to go around and go about it is what probably a message has to be given. So there are three words like security, independence and freedom. They are interchangeable, as I know, but little differences are there. The security means that your needs, your expenses are met, not only with your salary, but also multiple income sources, plus the corpus which you have accumulated. As we talk about this, we also should know that in America also, 35% of Americans are financially independent from their parents. Only 33% of young Americans are financially independent from their parents. So here the percentage is more. So what is independence means? You should maintain your current lifestyle. That means your wants should be maintained from your passive income. We have active income from our profession, from our salary, from other regular professional income, but passive income is what you have to achieve. So how does the passive income, once it exceeds your monthly expenses, you are known as a financially independent. There is no reliance on the salary or the single income source, and you can pursue your own interest in the travel and philanthropy or the charitable activity, and you can have your own lifestyle choices with a less stress on your finances. The freedom means at your terms. That means you have autonomy to do what you feel like. Your income exceeds your expenses. You have a savings for the future, and you are debt free. That means you are loan free. You don't have any loan, and you can pursue your passions and interests, and you have a financial security and stability. Of course, it requires discipline, patience, and smart financial planning much before you need this finances at the time of crisis. So ultimately, all of us since morning have been talking about saving lives, spreading knowledge. What exactly we want? We want time in our life. You ask anybody today, can you come to some function? Can you give me some time to talk to you? They say, I'm busy. You come after some time. This is what we all should achieve for. That is time richness. You must be able to do what you want. You must be able to continue, pursue your passion. You must do what you like. You must do at your convenient time, at your own speed and pace. So financial freedom does not mean you have to be rich or wealthy. It only means that you have to live below your means, budget effectively, build multiple income sources, invest wisely, and have an emergency fund, which we all know from the COVID days. So independence means different to different people. A different type of independence has been defined by Vicki Robinson in her book. She said there is an early retirement movement going on in the world where people want to retire early and not have a stressful life as early as 45 years, wherein you have to save a lot during your professional time. And other types are lean fire, that is financial independence and retire early, barista fire and post fire, various types of savings and leading your life the way you like. So it is mentioned by most of the financial specialists that at least you try to invest 10 to 15% of your gross income and set it across for nest building or the retirement fund. And if you add another 20%, youngsters can do that as early as possible if they start. Probably you will be having an employment-free life very soon. People with high income, those who are earning high by nowadays, they should avoid high lifestyle and prioritize their long-term wealth accumulation and have a proper investment strategies. Of course, This does not mean that discipline of saving, investing and living below one's means should be given more importance. There is one important finding I learnt, which is probably a revelation for you also, why women benefit more with the financial independence or financial literacy. Because they are living longer, there is a gender wage gap between men and women. They need larger retirement saving and income because they have to cover for their live long and their healthcare needs. Navigating unpaid caregiving duties for children and adults who are dependent on them, and long stints of income absence because of the child rearing and caring for their dependents, and this has to be substituted in their golden years. Career impediments, lower savings, higher out-of-pocket care is what women need more than men, and that's why their literacy for the women is very important, and they should achieve the financial independence. Now, there are 10 steps, as I mentioned in that book, Vicky Daniel, she has written. Step number 1, why you want to be an independent. Define yourself, assess your finance. That means what is your today current liability and your asset, or what is your total finances background. Then craft your own independence number. How much do you need? There are mathematical equations and formulas. I don't want to go into that. Those who are interested can join our group and we will discuss about that. Automate your saving is what many people advise, because you forget to save every month. The salary comes, the moment salary comes, you